come by to tell you that I got the message from someone who knows what's happening. And he told me to tell you it's gonna be a brand new world. Yes, indeedy.